Hello everyone, this is your Saba ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all my प्यारे बच्चे and all respectful parents. So, how was the weekend? I hope it was प्यारा, right? I have. चलिए, let's have the summary of today's class. Today I specially went for the what come before. 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 पहले क्या आता है? And for that, or it is either what come before, either what comes after, or either what comes between. We should have proper visualization of all the numbers. So for that, let's have the quick recap of all the numbers from 1 to 100. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100. This is your counting. I hope you people are doing daily counting practice. Yes, you should have. So that we have प्यारा सा what come before, right? So let's move to what comes before. Again, I'm explaining you what comes before. BEFORE before. In this game or in this exercise, you are going to have number. For example, today I'm writing the number 19. You will have the number and you will see that before the number you will find a dash or the blank. So this blank is just before the number. This means this question is what comes before. Now let me give another example. Suppose is a number 29. Before that dash. This also what comes before, right? Now let's have the exercise. Let me give the answer. Okay, I hope you have proper visualization of the all the numbers. Now visualize or try to count till 19 and see who is sitting just before the Mr. 19. Okay, 2 is 11 से काउंट करते हैं. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, कौन आया? फिर 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Who just came before 19? Is 18 or 18. Now we can move to another example. It's 29. Who comes just before 29? Just visualize. Now let's count from 21, right? Or okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Who just came? It's 28, right? 28, right? This is a good example. So, as a gift, what will I give you? Today, I want to give you a smiling balloon. It's a gift for you. Keep smiling. Okay. Now, today I also went for exercise in your exercise book. I hope you remember last time I told you you have to be ready with your exercise book. Now, this is your exercise book, math exercise book. Excel in Maths, Part A, and the publication is Flamingo. This is your Flamingo publication, and today I went for 4 pages exercise. It's page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, and page number 5. Now let's begin with the page number first. Page number 2. My dear children, you can find here circle. Shape of this is called circle. Circle, circle, circle. Have no side and corner. सर्कल के ना साइड होते हैं ना कॉर्नर होते हैं. आपको याद है वी लर्न इन जीके ओरल द शेप सेम सर्कल. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड good examples. Mama's bangle. What is the shape of bangle? Circle. Now look down. There's one beautiful picture of the grapes. Now each grape is of which shape? Is circle. What you have to do here? You have to trace each grape, and after that you can beautifully color it. What is the color of grapes? You can see green, light yellow, and also purple, right? And leaves, of course, green color. Now let's move to page number 2. This is triangle. Three. Angle means corner. Okay. What is the shape? Triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Have 3 corners, have 3 sides. Triangles के 3 corners होते हैं, 3 sides होते हैं. फिर उसके नीचे 3 questions क्या है? Some few pictures are drawn. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? Let's look at the picture. Apple, birthday cap, kite, pizza piece, and you have a ball. Now what you have to do? You have to find out a picture where you can find a picture of triangle. आपको ऐसी पिक्चर को ढूंढना है जहाँ पे आपको ट्रायंगल का शेप नज़र आ रहा है और उस पिक्चर को कलर करना है. Now shape of the apple, no, it's not like triangle. Now move to birthday cap. Almost similar to triangle. यहाँ पे देखिए हल्का सा similar to triangle लग रहा है, triangle के जैसा, तो इसको हम कलर कर सकते हैं. Now move to next picture. Shape of kite. You can find there 2 triangles. 1, 2. We can color kite also. No. Pizza. Yummy pizza. Okay. Now you can color the picture of pizza also. Almost like triangle. Not exactly. Almost. So I am giving you choose. You can color here. No, this is not. This is not triangle shape. Now we'll go to next page. What is the next shape is waiting? Here I'm going to explain 2 shapes together. Now you should differentiate between the square and the rectangle. Square, square, square. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. The square. Square have all the sides equal. All the sides equal. Square के सारे side equal होते हैं. And just look at here. यहाँ पे rectangle 2 side equal, 2 side equal, 2 side equal, 2 side. rectangle क्या होता है? 2 side यहाँ पे equal होते हैं, यहाँ पे 2 side से equal. तो ये difference होता है. तो for example square का example कैसे? पहला से बहुत प्यारा सा example क्या है? You remember I told you slice of bread. That can be a very good example for square. And you remember the shape of your mama's and Dad mobile is rectangle. Now let's move to exercise. Now below the square shape you will find some pictures. Now what are these pictures? Carrom board, ice cream, chessboard, mat, Ludo, and a clock. Now, what you have to do? You have to find out the picture of square and tick on the square shape object. Now, carrom board. What is the shape? It's square. We'll tick here. Ice cream? No, it's not the square shape. Chessboard? It's a square shape. Yeah, we'll tick here. No, mat? It's a square shape. No. Ludo board? Yes, it's a square shape. We'll tick here. Clock? No, it's not a square shape. Now we'll move to last page. Wow, it's rectangle. Below the rectangle, you will find a beautiful picture of a wall. What is wall? W-A-L-L. W-A-L-L wall. Wall मतलब दीवार. Now each wall is made up of so many beautiful bricks. Bricks मतलब ईंटें. दीवार की ईंटें. दीवार किसी ईंटों से मिलके बनी होती. Now see the shape of each brick or the shape of a wall. What is the shape? Almost similar to rectangle. What you have to do? You have to have Mr. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Remember the poem? Same way. वहाँ पे उधर से गिर जाता है ना, याद है ना पोएम? हाँ, आपको हम्प्टी डम्प्टी की हेल्प करनी है, इस बॉल को ब्यूटीफुली कलर करना है. So this is your exercise. Now let's move to today's homework. Now today you have only one page homework. Today is day 27/7/2020 SW, and you will write the heading WHAT what, COMAS comes, BEFOR before. You will leave the line and your questions are before 10, before 20, before 18, before 19, before 6, before 29, and finish page 2, 3, 4, 5 in math exercise book. I hope you remember this exercise book. Yes, this exercise book. In this book you have to finish page 2, 3, 4, 5 what I explained you. So my dear children, for today only this much. Stay tuned, keep smiling and keep loving. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.